Toy, this message is from me to you. I would like to congratulate the Tigaralan 33 bar examinees for 2014. Kung noon wala kayong karapatang magreklamo, ngayon mayroon na kayong karapatang pahinga. Toy, from me to you. Okay. Congratulations again. And see you in the broadsheet.
Oh, it's you. You and you. Alam ko lang papasa kayo eh. Will you congratulate? I'd just like to say na it's not all about moving forward. It's also about moving back. Kaya yun.
Congratulations for making this far. Remember to pay your taxes right.
Hey guys, listen up. In the advent of harvesting the fruit of your labor, this 2014, I would like to convey my heartfelt congratulations to my future compañeros. Good luck and more power.
To the future lawyers, congratulations.
To all the 33 Yupang bar examinees, congratulations for finishing the bar exams, and see you on the signing of the rolls, and just remember that what I have taught you, the meaning of possession. The holy of a thing and the enjoyment of a ride. Hurrah!
To all University of Pangasinan bar examinees, congratulations in advance, and the Supreme Court is so ready for you. We'll be seeing you on your oath taking.
Kung titignan natin ang batas pagtutuwid ay amnesty system. Kung voluntary system, kung may kinita ka, magdeklara ka. Para sa mga barrister natin, congratulations in advance. No worries for those top catchers. Your prize or rewards are tax exempt. Congratulations.